Welcome back to Stick One. And today we have Nickelodeon slime. So this is the closer look.
It's scented slime, I think, right?
Yeah. So
What
it
scents are
has lemon.
Lemon?
No. It's supposed to be lavender,
Lavender, yep.
vanilla,
Vanilla
and lemon.
and lemon. Remember that time we tasted the lemon? That was pretty funny.
Yep.
It was sour.
Okay.
So this is Nickelodeon scented slime made by CraZart.
Yep. Crazy. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. All right, so
Okay.
let's open her up.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Do it right now while we open the box.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
And make our channel go to like
100.
probably like 200 or something.
200.
Because we're not even close. We're at like 60 or something.
Yeah. All right, so let's see what we got in here.
Oh my. Okay. This is the fourth packet. That really looks like the thing that I take from my writing. Whoa! Okay, this slime ball. Is this?
What?
Okay, look. That, is there other stuff in now?
No, that's it. That's all that's in here. We got the instructions. We got a little bowl. And we have the glue and the activator. So let's...
Wait, I need... Wait, Dad, we need this. Okay. Okay. So yellow is lemon. The blue is vanilla. And the pink is the lavender. So this is vanilla.
You sure that's not lemon? It's gonna be
Oh yeah. This is lemon.
I guess
This is vanilla, and this is lavender. Okay. Okay, let's listen to the instructions.
Comes with white slime glue.
And it comes with these things. I always want these things.
This is the slime activator.
Yeah. It's actually just called activator.
Okay. And this is a little measuring cup. All right. And here's a little tiny bowl. And some... Oh, I think this is to keep the slime in for afterwards.
Yeah.
I'm guessing. I got some little bit bigger bowls.
Yeah?
Because it'll be a little easier for us.
Yeah, and this is like harder than that.
So we're going to use our bigger bowl.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see what the instruction says. Let me put on my handy dandy glasses.
Yeah, you need glasses.
It says, find a clean, flat surface to work on. This is clean and flat.
Yeah.
Okay, protect your work surface with paper, towels, or newspaper. Okay, we put a tablecloth down.
Yeah, so we don't really need
See?
that.
So we don't need to put newspaper down.
Yeah.
Plus, we don't have a newspaper.
Yeah.
Okay, so the directions for making slime. Measure 15 ml of white glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible. Okay, so the white glue, we need to measure 15 ml, okay?
Okay.
You're going to do it? Where's 15 ml?
I know. 50. I'm not really good at this.
Okay. Can I take a look? Okay, it doesn't... Oh, here's 15 ml on the other side.
Oh.
You see the 15?
But can you do it? Because I'm not really...
Okay, you hold the cup. Oh, I got to take the safety thing off. Hold on 1 second.
Wait, I need to concentrate.
You're going to concentrate?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me when it's at 15 ml, okay? Hold it straight. hold it straight and hold it up a little bit so the camera can see.
Okay, why can't you do this?
Do you? It's really hard. There we go. Tell me when it gets to 15.
Okay, let's stop for a second, because that's the melt. Okay, keep going. You're almost there. Probably stop. Close enough.
Close enough? Zeke says close enough.
It's like 9 inches more. Look at that.
Okay, so you have to put that in the bowl.
Okay.
Measure 30 ml of water and put it in the same bowl.
Wash it off with water, I think. Yeah.
I can't see where the mLs are anymore. Okay, well, I remember where 15 ml was. So I'm just going to double that, because that's 30. 15 and 15. Okay, that's the water. And then we need to add 1 or 2 spoonfuls of whatever color we want to make. So add 1 or 2 spoonfuls. Let's add 2 spoonfuls. Okay, here's a spoon. That comes with it. So which one do you want to make?
I want to make vanilla blue. Okay. I know how I'm going to open this. Oh, yeah. I don't know how you open this one. How do you open?
Oh, that's hard. Which one do you want to open? The blue one?
Yeah.
Okay. You smell it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Is it lavender or vanilla?
Yeah, vanilla.
Okay, so put 2 spoonfuls of that in there.
Okay.
That's a heaping teaspoon. Spoon. Go ahead and put it in. It's okay. You did it real heaping, so Lana, just do it with 1. Or do you want to put another one in?
1 little tiny one.
1 tiny one. 1 heaping and 1 tiny. Okay.
I know how to do that.
I'm gonna do this. There's things that need to be rinsed over here. This is really
What do we do
This
next?
is really messy, guys.
What do we do next?
I don't know. So we put that in. And then it says to stir everything until it's completely blended.
Okay.
So Zeke is going to stir everything. With that. Start with that. Start with this.
Okay.
That's what it's for.
But why not this one?
Well, go ahead.
Okay.
I'll do it with this one and you do it with that one. It has to be completely blended, guys.
Now, can I do this myself?
Okay, Zeke's going to do it himself.
Okay, well, you read, right?
I'm reading. The next thing we have to do is put 5 ml of the activator in. Okay? Once that's all mixed up. It looks like it's mixed up. Take a look, guys. Can you see that?
I don't know if they can.
Well, I can't do it anymore because it's gonna spill everywhere.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 5 ml. Okay. Let me take the safety seal off.
Okay.
Put this back on. Do you want to squeeze it in or do you want to hold the cup?
I don't want to do it.
Okay. You only got to go to this bottom line here, okay? It's very little bit. Because it's an activator. You're going to hold the cup? All right.
Yeah.
Ready? Hold it steady. Hold it straight. It's cooking. There we go.
Done. It is not done. No. No. No.
It's on the bottom line.
No, it's not. Okay,
we gotta stir it in.
It's good enough anyways.
Okay, activator's been added. Now you gotta start with this. Don't use your hands, it says.
I know.
Even though it's all over my hands. Literally.
Oh, it's working.
Go ahead and keep stirring. You gotta stir it until it's fully slime.
Wow.
You're doing a good job mixing that, buddy. Do you want to take a look? Oh, look at that, guys.
It's working.
It's turning into slime. You got to really stir it up good, buddy.
What is that? Oh, God.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
You want me to stir this and maybe you can start making the next one?
Okay.
So let me stir this. Put that back in there.
Okay.
Do you remember what you got to do?
Okay. On
Glue.
15, right?
15 glue. So the 15's right here.
I know.
So I'm going to put that right there. You just pour that in.
Put 2.
Here I go stirring.
Okay. Can you help me with this? Good. Because after time, can you help me? Because it's me.
Okay, I'll pour it.
Okay.
You gotta hold it straight though, like this.
Straight. Okay, every time you have to let go and see because it has to like straighten out. No.
If you hold it straight, it'll probably be right on.
It's pretty good enough.
It's pretty good. All right.
Okay, now, okay, if you pause the video, okay, if you forgot the steps, we'll tell you how it goes, okay?
Which one are you gonna do? We gotta do 30 ml of water. So let's get that glue in there. Let me get this from you, bud.
Sides, yeah. Don't try to do this. This is my second time doing this in my life. And trust me, it's a lot of steps. And it's really hard. Now I have one more to go after this one.
Okay, then we gotta put in how much water? 30 ml of water.
Yeah.
That was right there.
Half
30
one.
ml.
Can I?
Zeke's gonna put that in.
Boo.
Okay, then we need to do 2 spoonfuls
Yeah,
of
2
what color we're gonna do?
How about... Okay, let's go this to this.
So the I don't know, is it pink or
Lavender.
red? Lavender. Here you go. 2 scoops. All right, put it in.
Okay, that's good enough.
I can smell it. There you go. I'm just gonna clean this guy up.
Now go mix
Put that right
it.
here. Zeke's gonna mix that. Mix, mix, mix.
It's already
It's gotta
turning
get
into slime.
fully blended.
It's already turning into slime.
Oh.
That's slimy.
It's pretty good.
Okay, done with that. Activator?
Activator.
Okay, with 30? No, 5. Okay, let's go to...
Down here. This one, bud.
Oh yeah, this one.
Just put it like to right about here, okay? That's
Okay.
where the 5 is. It's hard to see once you put the glue in the cup. You gotta hold it straight though, buddy. Like this. Hold this straight.
I'm about done.
Good. It's good.
Now we're gonna mix it.
Mix it up.
Come on, baby. It's happening. Wait,
How's it smell?
good.
Okay, I'm gonna start mixing this one.
Wait,
You can work on the next one, okay? The last one. Oh, it's It's already pretty slimed up.
I know.
All right, give me this.
Okay.
You're gonna do the glue.
Yeah.
Put it to the 15. Let me find the 15 because we don't see it no more.
Because we can't see it.
It's right there.
I know. This is hard for me. Like, it's too hard for me.
Let me help.
I'll tell you. Okay.
Hold it straight though, buddy.
To be honest, I can't see. That's about it.
That's it there. Okay. Now you need to put.
Yay ho, mo do.
Oh, it's stuck. My hand's stuck.
I'm making some beautiful artwork here.
It is very beautiful artwork. Want me to do this?
I'll do it.
You do that. And we need to add the water after. And then we have to add yellow. Once I clean the spoon off.
Now what do we have to do?
Give me this. We got to put the water in. 30 ml of water.
Oh, yeah.
That was too much. That's 30 ml.
Now this, no store.
You got to put the color in, the yellow.
Oh, and then you store.
And then we stir. So 2 scoops of the yellow. Be careful.
Are we doing this too fast?
No.
Oh.
2 scoops of the yellow. I'm just going to get the rest of this glue out of here, okay?
Oh my gosh, I messed up. Sorry, but there's going to be a stain on this.
This is getting very, very messy.
Why does this keep falling off this?
Okay, now you got to mix.
I have no
That's okay.
idea why.
It's okay, bud. Don't
Sorry.
worry. It's okay. That's why we put the tablecloth down. We just need some more napkins.
Okay, now do I still...
Yeah. You got to stir now. Stir with this.
Okay. And then are we done?
No, wait. We got to put the activator in.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry. Hold on. Here's the activator. Hold. Oh yeah, you got to stir it until it's mixed in even, and then we put the activator in.
I don't think we put on enough glue.
Okay, here's the activator. Good job.
Oh, is this the last one?
That's the last one.
There's a lot of glue on this, and I can't get it out.
Yeah, there's a lot of glue on this table right now.
No, I mean
on the
this.
tablecloth.
Look at this. It's not coming off.
Let me do it, buddy.
This one is...
You want to play with one of these?
Okay, I'll play this one. Oh, yeah. Slime.
Okay, guys, I'm mixing the yellow one up. Looks like an egg.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Anybody want bacon and eggs?
Bacon! Eggs!
This one's coming out a little weird.
Oh, my. Oh, my. This is gross. Oh, my God.
How's it smell?
Good.
This one's kind of clumpy. I think there was too much glue inside this thing that got hard before we got to mix it up.
Now look at this. Oh.
But we got 2 good ones and one that's kind of clunky. Right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Because it's very liquidy. Okay, guys. That is it. This is not getting any better. It's very loose.
Yeah.
It looks like an egg yolk. It's not getting any better. Zeke is having fun over here.
We're doing this.
Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching.
And do you want to hear my voice? I don't talk loud.
Is that your Halloween voice?
No.
That's Zeke's Halloween voice, I think.
No, this is my real voice.
Wow. Holy moly. We might have to take you to the doctor.
Dad, you wouldn't know this one for your voice.
It's a little scary.
My dad, it's crazy.
Can you say thanks for watching in that voice?
In that voice. Oh yeah, and thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye, everyone.